welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we will see how we can convert value to string in Power Automate. As there are three methods to convert value to string in Power Automate, these are using string method and another one is using format number action and the third method is using format number method. Now let's see how we can use these three methods to convert the value to string in Power Automate. So let's move forward to the Power Automate. So this is my Power Automate. We will create our first flow that will convert the value to string using string method. So I will take an instant cloud flow. So here I will write using string method as flow name, let's say. And then click manually trigger a flow, then click on create. Here we will initialize a number variable value. So take initialize variable action and here provide like num1 and the type is integer and provide some value like 456. In the next action we will take the compose action. Here we will provide the expression as string. We will use the string method to convert this number value. So choose the num1 variable and then click on OK. Now the expression is added. So we will run the flow and we will check the result. Now click on test button, then click on manually. Next click on test button, then click on run flow, then click on done. Here you can see our flow runs successfully and you can see the flow is converted to string. So now let's move forward to our another method, that is format number action. So in this flow we will add another action, that is format number action. Here we will provide the number, that is num1, and here we will need to provide the format. So here we will provide the custom value format. So our format is 0000. So this is the format to convert the number to string. So for this we will click on save and then click on test button, then click on manually, then click on test, then click on run flow, then click on done. Here you can see our flow ran successfully. As it is a 456 number, so it is formatted number. Is the format number action will take the number value, but the output is of string type. It is 0456. So basically if I will decrease 10 and now I will save the flow and click on test button, then click on test. Now run the flow. Here you can see 456. Similarly, we will use format number method to convert the value to string. For this, I will add another compose action. This method also takes the number value and returns the string value. So from dynamic content, we will choose the variable num1 and click on OK. Now click on save the flow and click on test button. We will run manually, then click on test button, run flow, done. Why the flow runs? Okay, I forgot to provide the format, so it shows me the error. So format number action takes two parameter, that is the first parameter will be the number and the second parameter will be the format. So format is 00030. So click on update button and then click on save. Now click on test and click on test button, then click on run flow, then click on done. So here you can see our flow runs successfully. Now the number is formatted to string. So that's all for today. We will see you on next video. Till then, do subscribe to our channel to see lot more free video tutorial on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI and many more. Thanks for watching.